Hello, in this video I am going to discuss with you CSIR NET June 2019 Physical Science Quantum Physics question from Part B. Let's start. Okay, the first question is, a particle moving in a central potential is described by a wave function psi r. So the wave function is given to you. Psi r is equal to z f r, where r is xyz is the position vector of the particle and fr is a function of r. If L is the total angular momentum of the particle, the value of L square must be. तो आपसे पूछा है L square की value. It means when you operate L square on psi r, what you will get? So the eigenvalue of L square operator is L plus 1 h cut square, and the wave function is remain as it is. Okay, so if you know this thing, now the next step is to find out L. And how will you find out L? So for a symmetric wave function or in central potential, the psi r is function of r radial part. So from radial part we will find out n. Radial part is used to find out n, and there is one more part ylm, theta comma phi. So this part is known as the angular part, and from here we will find out the value of L. Okay, so this ylm depend on PL cos theta and e to the power im phi. Okay, so if you want to know m value, then you if in your function there is e to the power im phi there, and you want to calculate the value of m, then from this function you can calculate the value of m, and the value of L you can calculate using PL cos theta. So what you should know, the Legendre polynomial, PL cos theta's values, what it is at P0. So P0x is 1 and P1x, here our x is cos theta, is equal to x. Okay, so here our x is P1 cos theta, so this will be equal to cos theta. Okay, now the given wave function is psi r z f r. So here z is r cos theta. You know that z is equal to r cos theta. Okay, so now the wave function will become r cos theta psi r will be equal to fr. So this here you can write P1 cos theta. Instead of writing z, you can write here P1 cos theta. So from here you आपको पता चलता है यहाँ से कि जो L है, L is equal to 1. Now put the value in the eigenvalue of L square. Put over here, you will get L square is equal to L plus 1. L is 1, 1 plus 1 h cut square. So L square will be equal to 2 h cut square. So our answer will be first one. Okay. Now next question. Okay. So this is the next question. The next question is, a particle of mass m and energy E is greater than 0. So the energy is given to you that E is greater than 0 in one dimension is scattered by the potential shown below. तो potential आपको क्या दिया हुआ है कि 0 है, फिर A to B में पोटेंशियल जो है वो नेगेटिव है. At point A it is minus V1 and at point B it is minus V2. This is given in the question. And now you have to calculate the best quantitative representation of the wave function of this particle. तो wave function आपका कैसा होगा आपको ये बोला है. This is Vx. Okay. So you should know that for E is greater than V, because for this case you will choose E is greater than 0. Here this is 0 and here this is minus V1 and E is greater than 0. So your chosen E is greater than V. E is greater than V in all three reasons. This is the first reason and this is the second reason and this is the third reason. So in all three reasons E is greater than V. So for E is greater than V, the wave function is oscillating. And for E is less than V, the wave function will be decaying. You can derive this how the wave function is oscillating using the Schrodinger wave equation. You have Schrodinger wave equation is let's move toward the next slide. So you have the Schrodinger wave equation is plus Vx psi is equal to E. This is your Schrodinger wave equation. Now rearrange this equation, then you will get d2 psi over dx square plus E minus V into 2m upon h cut square psi is equal to 0. So this is your k, and k will be equal to under root 2m upon h cut square. If you assume this is a k square, then k will be equal to 2m upon h cut square E minus V. Okay, so from here you can find out that if E is greater than V, then this value is positive. Okay, so if you take this term, the second term in the right hand side, this will become negative, and by solving the differential equation you will get psi is equal to e to the power I kx. So your wave function is oscillating. But if E is less than V, so this function will become positive. This function will become negative, and if you take this side, then your value will be, the wave function psi will be e to the power kx. Okay, which is decaying. I term is not there. Clear? So let's move toward our question. So in our question, what is given to you? That E is greater than 0. So there are three reasons. So in this reason, V is equal to 0. So K will be equal to, for first and third reason, the K will be equal to under root 2m upon h cut square E, because V is 0. And for second reason, your K will be equal to under root 2m upon h cut square E, and V is minus sign, with V is of minus. Okay, minus V1. So this will become minus plus. So K will be this. Now, so here K is E. अब आपने इसमें एक V term add कर दिया. So the K value will increase. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से you can find out कि यहाँ पे जो oscillating wave function है वो यहाँ उसका जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है, बिकॉज k इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा बाई c, अगर आपका k ज़्यादा है then frequency will be more. So here k is less, so frequency will be less, and here k is more, so frequency will be more. Okay, as you move towards the this side, v is increasing in negative sign. Okay, but here minus minus will become plus, so the total term will increase. Okay, so as you move this side, the frequency will increase. Okay, you got my point? ऑप्शन से देखते हैं. ओके, तो क्या है, what I have said that as you go in this region, so what will happen, the frequency will become larger. So for which case the frequency will become larger? For this case, जैसे जैसे आप V1 से V2 की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं, the frequency is becoming larger. Okay, and amplitude, now we will talk about the amplitude. So for the smaller depth, अगर आपकी डेप्थ स्मॉल है तो क्या होगा, एम्पलीट्यूड ज़्यादा होगा. ओके, पर आपकी डेप्थ जो है अगर वो ज़्यादा हो गई, तो एम्पलीट्यूड विल डिक्रीज. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन. ऐसे ही यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, डेप्थ यहाँ कम है तो एम्पलीट्यूड क्या होगा, ज़्यादा. लेकिन जैसे जैसे डेप्थ आपकी बढ़ती जा रही है, दिस इज द डेप्थ जैसे जैसे बढ़ती जा रही है, एम्पलीट्यूड क्या होगा, एम्पलीट्यूड विल डिक्रीज. सो द आंसर 3 विल करेक्ट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, प्रेस द थंब आइकन, सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.